Welcome to the electrifying world of electric vehicles, where innovation meets sustainability. Today, we dive into the essentials of electric cars. Let's take a quick trip back to where it all began. Did you know the first successful electric car hit the streets around 1890? Invented by chemist William Morrison from Iowa, this breakthrough was a 6-passenger wagon zooming at a roaring 14 miles per hour. Fast forward to today, and we've got not one, but 4 main types of electric vehicles to choose from. First, BEVs or battery electric vehicles, your fully electric ride with zero tailpipe emissions. Next up, PHEVs or plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. These cars give you the best of both worlds, combining electric power with conventional engines. Third in line, HEVs or hybrid electric vehicles. Think of them like a tag team, where the engine and electric motor work together to save fuel and cut emissions. Finally, FCEVs or fuel cell electric vehicles, where futuristic hydrogen fuel cells generate the power under your hood. And guess what? They only spit out water and heat. But hang on, why did electric vehicles, so popular in their early days, take a back seat? Well, in the 20th century, cheap oil prices and the roaring efficiency of gasoline cars led to electric dreams getting parked. However, those dreams were too powerful to stay dormant. An energy crisis in the late 60s and 70s jolted them back to life, and now, the electric car market is growing faster than ever. Now, here's where it really gets interesting. Purchasing an electric vehicle might feel like a big investment up front, but let's start long-term perks. Picture this: lower fuel and maintenance costs, thanks to fewer moving parts and no gas expenses. With electric cars, you might save around $1,700 a year compared to owning a gas guzzler. Not to mention potential tax credits and incentives offered by some states. But keep in mind, your actual savings could vary based on how often you drive, energy costs, and access to charging stations. So, whether you're here for the environmental benefits or the long-haul savings, electric vehicles are more than just a trend. They're a shift towards a cleaner, smarter way to drive. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the road to the future is electric.